present the lollipop kill, the lollipop kill, the lollipop kill, and in the name of the lollipop kill, we wish to welcome you to Munchkinland.
Alright, so we measured the band to be 8 millimeters in width, and then we measured the diameter to be 30 millimeters in width, and we measured the little like hump thing to be like about 8 millimeters high, and the other hump, the length of it is 26, so these are ellipses. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so we measured the lollipop stick attached to the lollipop to be 8.2 centimeters. Happy, Jason? Oh. Alright, so we measured the lollipop stick to be about 10 centimeters. Alright, we're done. Alright, first up to find is the plate in the middle of the Tootsie Pop. And I just assumed it was just one giant cylinder separating two ellipses. So the cylinder is 30 millimeters diameter and 8 millimeters thick, so the radius would be 1.5 centimeters and 0.8 centimeters width thick. So then the radius would be 1.5 centimeters, and then that'd be at the top, and 0.8 would just go across, and it would revolve. So I got 5.655 centimeters cubed. Next up is the two ellipses, or one ellipse, but it's one ellipse revolved except it's cut off by the plate. And I got 26 millimeters for the long side and 16 millimeters for the short axis. So this would be the equation for the ellipse, and then solve for x. You get x is equal to square root of 64 minus 64y squared over 169. So then I just used that equation and revolved it from negative 1.3 to 1.3 to represent the long side. And yeah. So it equals to 5.13 centimeters cubed. Alright, next is the stick that is jammed right up here that takes up some volume. And it's the other side. Alright, so we got the stick before it was, this is after it was all eaten up, so this total is 10 centimeters. And this is before it was eaten up, it was 8.2 centimeters. So inside the giant ball is 1.8 centimeters of stick. And then we revolved it to find, because it's basically a cylinder, and we got 0.12 centimeters cubed inside the giant sphere. Alright, so we just added all the volumes and minus the stick volume, and you got 10.66 centimeters cubed. Alright. Alright. Okay, so after actually measuring the volume of the Tootsie Pop in water, we got 12 milliliters about, so that's equal to 12 centimeters cubed, and 12 centimeters cubed minus the stick inside amount, which is still in there, is 0.127 centimeters cubed, so just get the difference and you get 11.873 centimeters cubed is the actual volume of the Tootsie Pop. Now I want to find the error, and it was off by 1.21 centimeters cubed, and the percent error was 10.2%, and this could be due to this thing right here being imperfect. Like, it's not perfectly round right there, and there's broken edges, so the math wouldn't be as accurate as possible. All right.